Hi everybody, I'm back with the 13 Haunted Projects of Halloween series. Today we are on number 12, so we're one away from our finale, which will be on Halloween itself. Anyway, what you guys are looking at is some lit up fabric garland. This year I just have it hanging right above my work area on my wall. Just thought it would be a little festive. But basically I use it on my entertainment center. You can use these on your spooky trees, Christmas trees, whatever holiday you want to make these for. It's a Halloween series, so we're making ours Halloween themed. And I'm sorry about the shaking of the video, but I want you guys to see it close up. I basically used Dollar Tree purple lights, a strand of 20. I used fabric from Joann's. I bought, I think, 9 different patterns and cut them up. And then right here, this cute little guy is one of the plastic skulls that I got a bag of from the Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to kind of give you a close-up of what a fabric garland looks like. These have been around for a very long time. You can make them with all different patterns, all kinds of themes. They even have like caps you can put over your lights instead of, like, right now I have skulls hanging from my fabric, but you can get them and put them over your lights. You can even buy light sets, you know, with them. I saw some eyeballs this year, which I thought were really cool. But anyway, this is what it looks like. This is a strand of 20 lights, and I'm going to show you how to put one together. I will be right back. I just want to reset my camera, and we'll get started. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I have it set down on my desk right now, my camera. And anyway, these are the lights we're going to use today. They're 5 feet long. And there's 20 lights on these. These are the purple ones I bought at the Dollar Tree. And then I also have 3 more skulls left from my 8 pieces you get in a set of the skulls from the Dollar Tree, which I thought was a great deal. And I used 3 on the light strand I have hanging here on my wall. And then I used some in the picture frame, and now I'll be using some here. So basically what I did was I opened up my light box, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different patterns. You can use as many patterns as you want. You can use the same exact fabric. You don't have to do anything like I am. I'm just showing you how I made mine. I also cut mine with my pinking shears from Fiskars. You don't have to do that. You can tear yours, which I'll show you how to do in a second. And, you know, you can do any theme you want. I'm just kind of showing you how I made the one that was hanging. And I want to make some for Christmas, I think. Either that, or I'd like to make some paper chains and put them on my tree, kind of old-fashioned. I think that's so cute. So anyway, I got the strand out, and this is the end that plugs in over here. But what I did was I got started on this side. And let me tell you, these take a lot of fabric, depending on how you want to tie it. And it takes a while. So if I were you, I would get your light strand out, cut up your fabric, get in front of your TV, and sit and, you know, do it while you're watching a good movie on Hallmark Channel. I guess they already have those. I actually can't believe they already have the Christmas movies going, but, and I love them. I'm just not ready for them. Anyway, let's get started. So what I did was I cut mine 7 inches long by about an inch, inch and a half wide. This doesn't have to be an exact science. You just can eyeball everything. And I use my pinking shears, like I said, to cut all of my pieces. But you could, I'm going to use a scrap piece to show you. Just make a little snip in your fabric and then just tear them. And the tear method I like as well because it looks a little more tattered, torn, and worn up. But for this, I really just wanted, you know, this pinking sheer fringy look to it, so that's why I did it that way. Okay, so let me put my scissors aside, and this is so easy, guys. All you're going to do is start at one end, and I have all my fabrics lined up, what I want to use, and I just wrapped it around. My fingers aren't going to work today, are they? Of course they're not. And centered it and tied a knot. It's that simple. Then I took another piece and I just went down the line of all of the different fabrics that I made. And I'm going to tie a knot. I only need one knot. You don't need two. It's not like you're really going to be manhandling these when they're finished. Okay, isn't that cute? Now, 7 inches when you tie them on each side, in case you guys want to know. Let me get my ruler. On each side of your light strand, it'll give you approximately 2 1/4 inches on each side after you tie your knot. So it does leave you like a lot of nice garland there. And then I just took another piece, and it's nice after the holidays, like maybe after Halloween, you can go into the stores and purchase, you know, the fabric on sale and make these even cheaper. So you're just going to go down the line right up to that next light, and you're just going to keep going all the way down. And then at the end, I kind of found my middle, and I just took some hot glue, and I'm just going to show you this for now. But I found my end piece, took some hot glue, put it on top of the skull, and I just glued it to my fabric. That was it. That's all I did. And then I found my middle and then my end on this side. And when I finished, I did finish at this strand. I didn't put any more lights down here because you want this free to be able to plug it in. You know, you don't want a lot of fabric on this end. So I basically just went from one light to the other. And that was it. That's all you need to do to make these adorable fabric garlands. What really is going to take you time is picking out your patterns, getting all the ones you want, cutting them, or tearing them up. That choice is yours, what you want to do. But that's how I made mine. I hope you guys have a lot of fun making yours, and if you do a video and let me know, I would love to see it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and join me on Halloween for the very last 13 haunted projects of Halloween for this year. Take care.